Elon Musk has hinted that artificial intelligence could potentially replace all jobs, but this is not necessarily a negative outcome. He described a future where jobs would be optional with AI providing goods and services as desired. However, for this to work, there would need to be a universal high-income society where AI significantly reduces the cost of human labor, making basic needs affordable for everyone. This would ensure there would be no shortage of goods or services. He also warned about the influence of social media on children, claiming that they are being programmed by AI to maximize dopamine release. As AI capabilities grow, concerns continue to mount about how industries and jobs will change. Researchers at MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Lab found workplaces are adopting AI more slowly than expected, and many jobs that require high emotional intelligence and human interaction will not need any replacement. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.